Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car audio systems on Amazon. If you're in need of an upgrade, you can swap out your old system for one that's more advanced and more high-tech without spending a ton. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jensen Car Stereo Receiver. The Jensen Car Stereo Receiver puts total control in your hands. Whether you're trying to perfectly balance or customize your speaker's output or need to have convenient smartphone control, this head unit can do it. Featuring a high-resolution LCD display with easy-to-reach preset buttons, you can listen to the radio or use the Bluetooth connectivity to stream music wirelessly. You'll have customizable sound selections at your fingertips, from 2-band control to 4 preset curves, plus presets you can set yourself. And if you want to use your smartphone's voice assist functionality, it's possible with the touch of one button. There are just 2 details to keep in mind with this car audio system. What we like about it: high-resolution LCD display, Bluetooth connectivity, one-touch Siri and Google Voice Assist, customizable sound settings. What we don't like about it: microphone isn't the best quality. Sizing is a bit funky. Number 2. Boss Audio Systems Multimedia Car Stereo. When it comes to value, it's hard to top the Boss Audio Systems Multimedia Car Stereo. At first glance, this single DIN head unit looks pretty simple. It's not a touchscreen device, but it doesn't run short on any features. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily sync your smartphone to stream, and you'll find both a USB port and O input to connect with wires if you'd like. The LCD display is lit up with dimmable LED lights, and you can control just how bright you'd like the display to glow. A built-in microphone makes hands-free calls a breeze, and you'll be able to play any digital media files. Plus, when it comes to controlling and customizing your audio, the controls let you achieve the right balance thanks to an easy-to-use equalizer. What we like about it: easy-to-use LCD display, dimmable, LED-lit buttons and display, Bluetooth capable for hands-free calling and streaming, includes USB port and O input. What we don't like about it: difficult to install. Small, thin metal components bend easily. Number 3. Boss Audio Systems Receiver. With a long list of features, inputs, outputs, and equalizer settings, the Boss Audio Systems Receiver is a car audio system that doesn't skimp on its capabilities. This receiver really has it all, from Bluetooth connectivity to a built-in microphone to wireless streaming with voice control to rear and front camera inputs to steering wheel audio control. Plus, it'll play any audio source, from CDs to streaming apps to USB and MP3 files to AM/FM radio. The equalizer settings let you customize your sound with the right amount of balance, fade, bass, treble, and more. What we like about it: 6.2-inch touchscreen display, rear and front camera compatible, Bluetooth connectivity for voice control, works with existing steering wheel controls. What we don't like about it: have to scroll a bit to see all options. Audio cuts out when camera is in use. Number 4. Pile-in Dash Car Stereo. Sleek, streamlined, and full of the features you want within reach when you're behind the wheel, the Pile-in Dash Car Stereo is a fantastic choice. This car audio system is reasonably priced and performs like a top-tier model, offering you a 7.0-inch multicolored LCD touchscreen display. You can use it for AM/FM radio, playing MP3s, or streaming by hooking up devices via the included O port. What we like about it: built-in microphone for hands-free talking, plays AM, FM, MP3s, includes front panel O ports, backup camera support for rear camera. What we don't like about it: sound quality depends on speakers. Built-in amp isn't the best. Number 5. Dual 7-inch double DIN in-dash mechless. This receiver comes with built-in Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls, use voice commands, and stream wireless from your favorite apps on your most used devices. Plus, when it comes to customizing your music or audio, the preset curves and the ability to set your own 2-band tone control gives you everything you need. What we like about it: 7-inch LED backlit LCD touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity. 7x presets and 30 station presets. Streams and makes calls hands-free. What we don't like about it. Clock settings can disappear or reset suddenly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.